Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another video in my Bay Area beauty series. Today I'm in Walnut Creek going to get a spray tan. As a beauty blogger, I'm a little embarrassed to say I've never had a spray tan. I've done lots of like sunless tanning mousses and lotions at home, but never a proper spray tan done by a professional. So today I'm at Fresh and Frosted Organic Spray Tans in Walnut Creek. She has a little studio space here on Boulevard Way, but she also does home calls, so if you prefer to do your spray tan at home, I think she services the local area here, but you can check on her website for more information. Before my treatment, I looked through the prep and aftercare guidelines for my spray tan just so I'd be ready. The days leading up to my tan, I made sure to exfoliate as much as possible and moisturize my extremities. This morning for prep, I exfoliated thoroughly my entire body and then I shaved. I think I'm going to pass on doing the spray tan on my face today. Of course, it's optional. Totally up to the client and what they have going on. For me, I just have tons of bronzers and tinted moisturizers and other foundation colors to work with. If you don't have other foundation shades and that kind of thing at your fingertips, you might want to consider getting your face tanned while you're getting the spray tan. Otherwise, you'll need to have a lot of bronzer to kind of help even yourself out. So this morning I also did not put on deodorant. That was really hard for me because I'm definitely clammy right now. So hopefully when I go in, we'll like dry off. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the process. And of course after. One other thing, I'm not wearing makeup today, just sunscreen on my face, no body lotion, no body oil, and I'm wearing very loose clothing. The whole reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to Kauai this week. So this is part of my like Hawaii tropical vacation prep. So we're going to cut to some clips at the end of, the spray tan in Hawaii, and I'll let you know how it's doing. So without further ado, let's go in. Alright, so now that I'm back at home, I wanted to show you guys a couple of the products Darcy sent me home with. These are really going to keep you in great shape for as long as possible. So first up is the Tan Extender. This is a daily moisturizer with a small amount of DHA in it. These products are natural. This is made in California and it's vegan. So she recommends using this a couple days into the tan, definitely applying it maybe some areas where you have drier skin or where the tan begins to fade to help extend the life of the spray tan. And then for the shower, I have the Glow Bar Soap. This is a tanning moisturizer. This is made with goat milk and coconut oil. It's from Orange County. Paraben-free, sulfate-free, all natural. Something that's gonna not strip your tan, but help extend the life of it. And last but not least, sunscreen, because apparently some sunscreens can eat away at your spray tan. The branding on this is absolutely brilliant. White Girl Sunscreen SPF 30. So I'm gonna be packing all of these in my bag for my trip this week. Alright, so it is day 5 of my spray tan and it's looking really good. We are here in beautiful Kauai. I've actually been sick the last few days, so I've been kind of laying low, but I have been hitting the beach and using my tan extender in some areas where, I have eczema and patchy skin on my chest. The tan extender really does help extend the life of my spray tan, but other than that, we're looking pretty good. What do you think? I wanted to thank Fresh and Frosted Organic Spray Tans for having me in to try the treatment. I am obsessed. I don't think I'll ever go on another vacation without getting a spray tan beforehand. I just look so much more glowy in photos, healthy, radiant. I absolutely loved it and would highly recommend it for anybody, for any occasion. And as a very pale person, I found the tone of my tan perfect. It wasn't orange, it wasn't artificial, it was just right. I will link all of Fresh and Frosted's information down below. Definitely check out their website. I love that they use an organic-based tanning formula that has no mineral oils, PEG, no parabens, and it is cruelty-free. So definitely check them out, and if you do, tell them I sent you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.